newbie guide how to install the fxssi indicators for MetaTrader 4. So go to fxssi.com, MT4 products, and you want to click on something that says Pro. So you click on that, install, and then you get the zip. Alright, so you can click in the zip, open them when complete, and you're going to double click this. Right, so we need to extract it first. So extract tool, you can put it into the downloads location, and then double click, and that's it. More info, run anyway. Yes, English, and then you select where you want it to go to. You know, it depends on what terminal you're using. You wouldn't do it to MetaTrader 5 because it's MetaTrader 4, so you just select where it says MetaTrader 4. Depends on what broker's MetaTrader 4 you're using. Don't need to select that. Just select the broker that the terminal that you want it to download to. And then go to a terminal, refresh the navigator window, drag the required indicator from the navigator window onto your chart, and read the guide. So let's go to MetaTrader 4, View, Navigator, right click, refresh, and fxssi will appear. And then let's add order book. Attach the chart, common. Allow DLL imports. Okay. And then we can see the order book. So change the. This is the Euro USD, and we want to perhaps add ratios. Attach the chart. Common. Allow DLL imports. Okay. And that's that. So it's not hard at all. It's very, very, very easy. But if you've got any queries, then you can just let me know. And so that's that. So we can see orders and current positions. We go to the SLCs, attach the chart, allow imports. Okay, and then we can see the stop loss clusters. So that's the likely target for 117.95, and we're 10 pips away. Okay, the one below is larger of the two, so this is fairly likely, and we're quite close as well. And so that's just a quick installation guide for how to install the indicators from fxssi. You may need to authenticate when you do, you know, when you install the fxssi indicators. There's going to be like, please authenticate, and you click that, and then you'll just simply go to like, you know, do you need to authenticate on the website, and then that's it. So it's dead easy. It's not complicated at all in any way. It needed to be like a 30-second video really. So hopefully it helps, and I'll speak to you guys soon.